Hello my friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous candle holder set that will look great on a fire mantle, a side table, or a black theme event. Subscribe to my channel for ideas like this one and much more, so let's get creating. For this DIY you will need 2 ceramic pedestal candle holders, 2 floral bowls, black enamel acrylic paint, black diamond wrap, 2 votive candle holders, and for a complete list of materials used, please see the description box. I'm going to start by painting my pedestal candle holders with the black paint, and then I'm going to give them 2 coats and then I'm going to let them dry completely. The paint is completely dry. Let me show you what they look like. Next, I'm going to take a 2-row strip of my black diamond wrap and I'm going to glue it to the top of my pedestal. I'm going to use my hot glue gun for this, but you can use a stronger glue like the E6000. Okay, here it is. Let me show it to you, and I will decorate the other one the same way. Now I'm going to take another 2-row strip of the black diamond wrap and I'm going to glue it here in the middle of my pedestal. Now I'm going to glue another 2-row strip to the middle of the other pedestal. I decided to add more bling to the bottom of the pedestal, so I'm going to add another 2 rows down here to both of them. Okay, my pedestals are looking amazing. I love the way they look. Now, I'm going to take this votive candle holder and I'm going to glue it upside down to the top of my pedestal. For this, I'm going to use both my hot glue gun and the E6000. The reason why I'm using both is because the E6000 gives me a permanent hold while the hot glue dries quicker, so I can finish this video faster. Okay, now I'm going to glue my floral bowl right here, right on top. For this, I'm going to use my hot glue gun, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000. And again, the only reason why I'm using the hot glue is so that I can finish this video faster. And now the last step is to add your favorite candles. And here you have it, my friends, a set of absolutely gorgeous candle holders that can be the perfect decor for your home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe because I have a ton of ideas for you. Have a blessed day.